Hi, it's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh, and today I am still 5 or 6 more videos, 5 or 6 more days of images from, Modernistic print shop on Etsy. So today, let's see what we have. Don't even know. Woohoo! Purple Vintage Baby. 36 sheets of purple. Ooh. I have a couple of friends out in the YouTube universe, social media universe, that love purple. And if one of the friends I'm thinking of says, you know I love purple, I must have that, I'm going to make you this junk journal. 2 of them I know they love purple. So, I'll make them a junk journal. I love purple, but purple's not my favorite like theirs. I mean, one lady, her whole house is purple. She loves it. I tag her every now and then. Look, it's purple. So this is 24 of the portrait, and then you get 12 of the double-sided side-by-side. So I did not print all 24, but I did print all of the 12, and you will see this can be that size. Okay, so purple and the beige and the different colors of purple. There's lavender purple. There's so much prettiness here, and because of the purple, and it's got the different colors of beige and purple, you really see the layers of the lace and the cursive writing and the pages and different stuff. They have put so much layering. You just have to see it in person. This is a go-to image. And since you're downloading it and you're keeping it forever, you will have it forever on your thumb drive or on your computer or on that cloud thing up above our heads that rain on us. So it's just gorgeous. So look at here. Oh, I mean, I don't even know. I think this is a doily, or is it a clock? I don't know. It's so pretty. And the layers of the flowers and the lace and the leaves, they've done a beautiful job here. I didn't print it on heavy cardstock. I am going to do a baby series of projects. So stay with me, follow me so that you see that it doesn't have to be just a junk journal. I mean, look at, can you just see the layers? It looks like you can flip it. It's just gorgeous. And they have a little bit of purpley blue and lavender, so there's so much different colors of purple that you don't even know until you look at this and then see it. It is so pretty. I will have the link down below to Modernistic print shop and to just this purple section too. So there'll be 2 links to her store, and then all my links will be there. I mean, it's just beautiful. The creamy beige and the purple. Oh, look at that. Very vintage, very Victorian. Look at the claw tub. It's a little baby claw tub. Oh my God. Did they really make one that small? I bet they did. The Victorians had something for every use. Every spoon, every size, the rattle in her hand, bells. They made one of everything they could ever think of. You can't just use a big spoon. You had to use the right spoon and stuff. So I bet you there was baby claw tubs. We're almost done. I'm trying to show you all of them. Isn't that just gorgeous? This one, she looks like a planter out of a window almost. Isn't that just beautiful? And then look at that. Was that 12? It just went by so fast. But there we go, guys. I hope you love this. I hope you go and check this out. And if you ever write her a note, say, I found you because of Leigh. Victorian Dreams by Leigh. I hope so. She has been a godsend to me and a really good friend that I have never met. They live in Spain. So yeah, there you go, guys. Isn't it beautiful? I think it is. Have a blessed day. All the links are down below.